Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jimbo Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natutigan natin na nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaay kayo na Diyos at may kapalsiksik diglig umapaw ang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng isang mensahe para sa linggong to for the sign of Virgo. There is a Three of Pentacles. About sa trabaho or negosyo, there is a commitment or there is collaborations, no? And of course, there is a Six of Pentacles. Wow! Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances. Kumbaga, Six of Pentacles is a giving and receiving something. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na magtutuloy-tuloy na daw, no? Basta, there's kumbaga collaboration, kailangan may pagtutulungan or something, a unity or kumbaga there's a commitment rather. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. There's a success driven. Kumbaga, magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo, maaaring may isa katuparan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Six of Cups. There's a past person coming back or there's a past person na involvement dito, no? Let's see. And of course, there's a Two of Cups. No? There's a partnership. Ibig sabihin, there's a partnership or there's unconditional love. And of course, there's a Seven of Wands, no? Protect your power, protect your energy. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, protectionan mo yung sarili mo, either yung relationship nyo, no? So, what is a Three of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady. And of course, dito, there's a step by step or there's a final push. May mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin para may isa katuparan. And of course, ang bagay na ito ay kailangan mo syempre makipagtulungan, no? What is the Six of Pentacles? There's a Star card. There's a wish fulfillment. Maaring ang hiniling mo na to. Maaring pinagdasal mo na to. Sinasabi dito, there's a healing, happiness, and miracle. So, what is the Knight of Swords? And because there's a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan mag-budget ka, mag-isip ka ng wais at listo. And of course, sinasabi dito about sa finances, kailangan maging practical ka, no? Marunong ka dapat hawak ng finances mo. So, what is the Six of Cups? There's a Two of Wands. There's a decision, no? There's a decision na dito pagdating sa past person na nagdidesisyon siya na kung babalik siya or hindi. Kumbaga nagkakaroon ng back and forth eksena. So, what is the Two of Cups? And of course, there's a Five of Wands. So, there's a lot of competitor pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig mo, no? Laging may kakompetensya, laging may kalaban, or there's an information na, or nagkakaroon ng disagreement, no? So, what is the Seven of Wands? Ba't nandito yung Seven of Wands? There's a Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, protection mo yung sarili mo, no? There's a lot of responsibilities, burden. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, protection mo yung sarili mo kasi may mga bagay or sitwasyon ka na nahihirapan, may mga bagay or sitwasyon kang, kumbaga, ang bigat-bigat na. So, let's see what is the Three of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. There's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance dito, no? Emotional and practical. So, what is the Six of Pentacles? Six of Pentacles and the Star card. There's a higher path. There's a lesson learned. There's an education. Kailangan matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo, no? Pagdating sa finances, pagdating sa career, and even sa love life. So, what is the Knight of Swords that was the Four of Pentacles? Okay, there's a Knight of Swords. There's an anxiety. Some of you nagkakaroon ng financial loss. Or kumbaga na-stress ka dahil kumbaga nagsusunod-sunod yung bills or nagsusunod-sunod yung gastos, tendency, kumbaga hindi mo na mabudget ng maayos, no? What is the Six of Cups and of course the Two of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles? There's a Three of Swords. There's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka rin dito from the pain. Yung mga naranasan mo na masaktan, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na naka-recover ka na. At maaari kung bumalik to, 'di ba? Kumbaga nasa sa'yo na 'yon. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. Maging aware ka sa pagkakaroon ng partnership, no? Madalas bini-betray, madalas nagsisinungaling, madalas binabackstab, at the same time, there's an Eight of Swords. Ibig sabihin, kaya ganito nangyayari sa'yo kasi there's a lot of negativity. Kumbaga, paulit-ulit yung mangyayari kasi there's a negative involved na gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, no? Kumbaga, lahat na magiging karelasyon mo, ganun din ang mangyayari sa mga susunod na eksena. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo makawala sa mga negativity at kailangan mo rin makawala sa toxicities. So, what is the Seven of Wands and of course the Ten of Wands? Okay, there's a Four of Swords. So, tama talaga na listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling na kailangan mo protection mo yung sarili mo. Protection mo yung relasyon nyo. Kasi meron taong gusto na pabigating ka, mahirapan ka, di ba? Na ayaw ka maging masaya. So, what is the outcome? Ang outcome is the Nine of Wands, slow and steady. No? Kailangan mong kumalma. Kailangan mo maging mahinahon. And of course, there's a Page of Wands, a new fresh ideas, and of course, a good news. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups, a romantic cycle begin. So, ibig sabihin na to, kailangan mo protection na yung sarili mo. After this all of negativity na ma-release mo, makawala ka sa gawa ng tao or negative or black magic involved, pag nakawala ka dito, may tendency na makuha mo at makamit mo ang kaligayahan na deserve mo. Kasi there's an Ace of Cups, no? Pagdating sa love life mo, pasabog ka dito. Kasi may taong darating talagang para sa'yo talaga. And of course, there's an Nine of Wands na slow and steady. Kailangan mo lang maging mahinahon, huwag ka maging padalos-dalos. So, let's see what is the additional Love Oracle card. There's a lightning, there's a sudden changes and shocking news. May mga biglaang decision or may mga biglaang mangyayari or pagbabago no, na magaganap sa transformation. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a self-indulgence. So, ibig sabihin dito, focus on yourself. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo. And of course, time to heal and time to heal. And of course, takes time, no? So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. And because there's a growth, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng expansion dito. Additional messages. And because there's an unexpected, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito may mga hindi inaasang eksena or pagbabago, no? At the same time, there's an healing. Kailangan mo raw ng healing dito. I told you so. See? Kailangan mo ng healing. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? And because there's a humor, no? Dapat daw tinitignan mo yung both sides of situation, no? And because there's an honesty. Dapat totoo ka sa sarili mo at tapat ka sa ibang tao, no? And because what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? And because there's pay attention to the red flags. Yun, mag-ingat ka, ha? Kasi may mga paalala sa'yo ang divine, may paalala sa'yo ang ating angel spirit na kailangan maging aware ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo or sa paligid mo. Kasi meron yung may cautions yan or may paalala yan na ito na pala yung dapat mong gawin pa or kailangan mo na mag-take ng action for this. Kasi kung hindi ka mag-take ng action for this, yung cycle paulit-ulit. Diba? So, what is additional messages? Because there's a calling your soulmate. See? Kumbaga tinatawagan na yung soulmate mo dito na this is it. Meron taong talagang nakalaan para sa'yo. Pero ang tendency kasi nangyayari, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng paulit-ulit na sistema or paulit-ulit na eksena na nagkakaroon ng betrayal. That because sa may taong gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda na ayaw ka niya maging masaya. No? Magnando ka na sa punto na kaligayahan, biglang, di ba, magbabago yung timpla. Some of you mapapansin nyo yan. And of course, there's an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, meron ka daw kinalaman sa Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, let's see what is the Monsology. And of course, conclusion, communication is the key. So, kailangan nyo na communication. At the same time, the energy is gaining momentum. Itong eksena na to, hindi mo makakalimutan. Dahil parang talagang tumugma talaga at talagang nag-sink in sa'yo lahat ng eksena. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a spiritual teacher. I told you, kailangan mo talaga ng albularyo, no? Kailangan mo lang tutulong sa'yo. May God, you heal with your classes, sessions, and seminars. Kailangan mo talaga ng manggagamot. And of course, there's a music. Some of you nakakatulong ng music for your healing stress, ganon, for relief. So, what is the energy? There's a strategy. Gamitan mo daw to ng strategy, itong eksena na to. And, the guardian and the gate, no? May pintuan talagang nakalaan sa'yo. Double na pintuan to na magbibigay ng opportunity sa'yo. And of course, there's a first chakra, Archangel Michael, for your protection. So, sinasabi ng Archangel Michael dito na napoproteksyonan kanya, kailangan mo lang proteksyonan yung sarili mo para magkaroon ng double protect, no? Para magkaroon ng shield or something na hindi na nakakapasok ang negativity. So, let's see what is additional messages. Kasi may mga orasyon yan na madam na inaanuhan And of course, there's a star family. So, some of you guys, kumbaga, may about dito na, kumbaga, nasa lahi nyo daw ang ganong eksena na nangyayari yung ganon, no? Kumbaga, parang tinatawagan na kayo dito ng angel spirit na kailangan nyo na mag-take ng action dito, no? Nasa dugo nyo raw ata or nasa family nyo lagi yung ganitong eksena na nakukulam or something na nagkakaroon ng black magic and bulb. And because there's a problem solving, no? Kumbaga, masusolusyonan na yung mga problemang pinagdaanan nyo. A problem solving. See, and of course, there's health, nourishment, and relationship. Kailangan nyo lang napalakasin at patibayin ang inyong relasyon. And of course, there's a confidence. Magkaroon ka din daw ng confidence sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is the chakra. Let's see what is the chakra. Isolation. You're feeling isolation, no? Parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, hindi ka makapag-desisyon, mahirap ang eksena para magulo, ganon. And of course, there's a chakra for joy, no? May kaligayahan ka dito na nakalaan. At the same time, there's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance. Let's see what is the Archangel Raphael messages. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Easy does it. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng details or detalye ng ating mga angel spirit na para ma-retreat mo at para mag-let go ka sa mga negativity. There's a healing can occur, yung makakatulong sa'yo para maging madali ang eksena. Diba? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. What is Archangel Michael messages? Positive thoughts create a positive result. Kailangan maging optimistic ka in all the time, ha? And let go of fear now. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. No? Kasi yun magdadala sa'yo sa negativity na na-shock nyo. At the same time, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Mapagkakatiwalaan daw ang iyong mga gabay. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? So, sinasabi ng Jesus dito, whatsoever you shall ask the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay daw sa'yo ni God yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, no? Kumbaga dapat, humihingi ka lang daw ng gabay sa Kanya kung para sa'yo yung pagkakaloob niya. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number for you. Oh my goodness. So, sinasabi dito, there's a 10. I am ingenious. So, sinasabi dito, you have a great leadership skill. Your mind is sharp and allow you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details that direct others how to carry things out. Kumbaga, nagbibigay ka ng motivation, either nagbibigay ka ng kumbaga, opinions or knowledge sa ibang tao, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, napakatalis ng utak at napakatalis sa pag-iisip mo sa mga bagay-bagay. Ang bilis mo maka-pick up at ang bilis mo maka-get sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hayaan mo lang yung isip mo ang, of course, yung intuition mo yung magbigay ng mga information para masolusyonan tong problema mo. Kapag nagkaroon ka na ng instinct and intuition na kailangan mo to take action for this, kailangan mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Ano ko sinasabi dito? Beyond limitation. So, let's see. Today, I exceed my own expectation. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There are no limitation. There is no end. Everything unfolding in a continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a burger. Horizontal, I look beyond my perception for reality. Beyond all the barriers created for my own belief and fear. I am now open to the new possibilities. Ibig sabihin, handa ka na sa mga bagong oportunidad at handa ka na rin sa mga bagong posibilidad. Diba? Kumbaga, at kaya pala there's a let go of fear or let go have a confident. Kasi para sinasabi dito, kailangan maging malakas ang loob mo at maging matapang ka sa hamon ng buhay. Kumbaga, kapag naging duwag ka, natakot ka sa mga bagay-bagay na mangyayari, walang mangyayari. Paulit-ulit yung cycle at paulit-ulit yung kaganapan sa buhay mo nang hindi ka nagtitake ng action. Diba? So, sinasabi sa ito, kung hindi ka lalaban at hindi mo tatapusin tong kaganapan sa buhay mo, kung ano mismong ugat ng eksena, walang mangyayari. So, you need to take an action and you need to resolve this problem. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik diglig na umapaw na biyaya ang manambalik sa inyo. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course location nyo kung asan makaisulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin, maka-energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!